overs so far. Yeah, I think so, because he was never going to stop the ball side. I mean, he cannot come in the way of the batsman there. I don't think there's any issue as far as MS Dhoni is concerned.
I think he'll be hurt because Dhoni is a powerful man, but the second time he's found it
To be on the on the leg side, on the onside. I mean, he cannot come in the way of the batsman there. I don't think there's any issue.
The big one. That's not good. The way to finish the last 50 of that over. 16 gone. Not happy, Jacobs, and rightly so. So making that dangerous. Because I mean, he had to move out of his first set. Like to make it better.
reaction. Just a strong react, walked in. Oh, dropped. They pulled in. The bells have lit up and Kumar Sangakkara's lights are out.
Rangana Herat really riled up. Bouncer. On the follow through, what does Ishan do? Walks back.
Going for a referral. It's not going to bring any favour for half between a bowler and a batsman. It's not going to bring bowler and a batsman. Will it save it?
He's putting him off, he backs away. And that's annoying for Mitchell Johnson, who's tearing in. And then I'd say that's just a slight bent up. That's toys out the cot. Here we go, Mitchell Johnson's got the ump on now. I think they said, okay, that's 4 or 5 times now in the space of half an hour.